Hello YouTube, bit of a fail, but I've just done the start, if you can see. I've just got that. Well, I forgot to record from the microphone as well. I'm just gonna start from here and read out these again. Welcome to the Free Islands by Action Man 1995. I need to find and complete the Victory Monument. For some reason it doesn't give me no clue about that. Play on easy, yep it's on easy. Do not leave the Free Islands. Okay. So as you can see I've got a sword and an axe. I'm just looking around for signs to give me any clues about this Victory Monument or whatever. Says there's limited, oh no. Says there's limited mobs, so I'm just going all out on these chickens. For some reason it's one hit kill. Right, there's a little island over there. I'm just gonna check out what that is. Build a 3-story house. Okay. I think I could do that. Doesn't this count as like a little island? There's 4 islands. Bonus, enchant all your armor. Okay. Cows. I want that cow. See how much hits it takes to kill the cows. Right, it's not one. Or I fail at killing cows. Ah, fail. Lag. Wow, got 3. 3. Never knew you could get 3. Wow. I'm getting too much food. Piggy. Oh, what the hell? Lagging. 1 minute. Ocean shot. Being serious. Don't hide from me. Gonna get a pumpkin for the fun of it. Put it on my head. Tra-la-la-la-la. I wanna find that Victory Monument thing. Right, I'm not staying on this island. Oh. Wait, I was on that island first. So I'm gonna go to this one. Hopefully I don't get killed by mobs. If I do then, that's just fail. So yeah, I'm gonna do all the challenges that there is. Just gonna keep playing and playing till I've done all of the challenges. Some reeds there. Oh, there's a wolf. Oh god, no. Creeper. I'm not even gonna bother going near that creeper. Skeleton. Any skeletons? I need them. Oh great, spider. I'm gonna have to go all out. With no house. No bed. Hopefully with no endermen, because they're just like the most annoyingest thing ever. Every time you hit them they just keep teleporting and teleporting. Oh great, this skeletons, but creeper. What's that? I have a feeling a creeper's gonna come out from behind me. Trying to get attention to that skeleton without attracting the creeper. Yay! Oh no. Oh, forget it. I'm just gonna put it on tiny. This lag is annoying me. Oh, seriously, no skeletons. I mean, no bones. There's a skeleton. He spotted me. Sprint! No, no, no. How did I know that would happen? I don't think so, Mr. Creeper. I'm gonna be a man. Ho ho. Right, I need to build a house. Have I got any bones yet? Yeah, I got 2 bones. Oh great, my sword's running out. Run away! Oh no! Ah! No 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 no! No 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 no! Oh why? No! Why? Why would that have to happen? Why? I'm gonna go back and get my stuff. Don't care. Right, it's this island. Oh great. Creepers and skeletons are the worst. I mean, if it was zombies then I'd be alright. Oh no, not spiders as well. If it was zombies then I'd be okay, but skeletons, creepers and spiders. Don't think so, I want my stuff, get out of my way. Where is it? Where's my stuff? There it is. That skeleton's still there, because I really can't be bothered with him. God, it's not. I just got my ass kicked by a skeleton. Right, I want a dog. Hopefully this dog isn't greedy. Right, stop jumping. No! Right, I'm gonna make another sword. There's too much trees. See that creeper? No, no, creeper, no, 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 no. That was so close. No! Leave me alone! See that creeper coming, can you see his feet? Leave me alone! Oh yeah, I killed him. I see you there. I see you there. Oh, oh melon. Oh, right, you. It's becoming daytime now, and I need to find this monument place thingy. Right, I'm gonna go back to the first Enderman. Oh god, can you see that there? Hey dude! Oh, why did he go back in water? I'm just gonna walk along the edge. Need to put it back on short. There's more melon. Come on. Come on. Take that melon. Right, here's another. Oh, I think cactus grew overnight. I'm not sure. Is this the same island? Wait, no, I don't think it is. I want to find this monument. Come on. There's a cave. Right, I need a spot to start building my house. Wait, here's a sign. Mob grinder. Right.